Okay, is my voice is audible? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. Today we will discuss about the payment terms concept. Payment terms. So, how many people know about the payment terms? What is payment term? Tell me. So, how many people know about the payment terms installment? What is payment term installment? Tell me.
The payment term nothing but on that basis we can make the payment or we can receive the payment along with some discount, which is already we can define for the customer, and for vendor purpose also we can get the payment in discount. On that basis it's called the payment term.
Okay. Next. This payment terms. Anyone? Tell me what is payment terms.
Payment term is an option where we make payment for the vendors on certain criteria, like we can on number of days or based on the configurations and the requirement of the company. We use this payment term to make payment to the vendors.
So payment term is applicable to vendors and customers.
If you are combining payment, if a vendor is also a customer, then payment term can be used.
Okay. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, is my screen is visible?
Yeah, visible.
Okay. So I have one requirement. This is the client requirement. Okay. The client requirement is so vendor invoice. You know what is vendor invoice, right? Trade purchase. So vendor invoice is 1 lakh rupee. Okay. This vendor invoice we need to pay. We means company. Company need to pay in 3 installments. So in the first installment, okay. So first installment, the company will pay. Okay, within 15 days. The company will pay within 15 days. So how much the company will pay? 30%. 30% on the invoice. Means how much? 30% on the invoice means how much? Tell me.
30,000.
30,000. In the second installment, okay, in the second installment, the company will pay the invoice within 30 days. Within 30 days. How much? So company will pay the second installment 30% again. Then how much? 30,000. Okay. In the third installment, the company will pay the invoice. So company pay the invoice 45 days. So total 40%. Then how much? 40,000. Total 1 lakh rupee. This 1 lakh rupee payment will be done. Okay, this 1 lakh payment will be done in 3 installments. So this calculation will be started from document date. Okay, we have 2 dates: document date and posting date. Document date means when the transaction was happened. Okay, so this is the scenario. And first we should understand where we need to do the configuration for payment terms. Okay, so payment term configuration is there. What is the payment term configuration? Tell me. What is the payment term configuration? OB08. Okay, and you want to do the payment term configuration for installments.
OB09.
Configuration for installment. Okay. OB09 T code. So you guys understand the requirement, right? So this is the requirement. Now tell me what we need to do. Okay. So we need to create installment payment terms. Okay. So this is our main payment term. Main payment term. We need to create. Okay. Let's say what is your company code? VIZ1. Huh? So VIZP. This is your main payment term. VIZP is the main.
Z6.
VIZ6. Okay, so you can put payment of VIZ. Okay, and for this above 3 installment, we need to create 3 payment terms: VIZ1, VIZ2, VIZ3. See, payment terms is customizable. We can create payment terms also. So standard payment terms already available in your system. Or you want to create new payment term? Yes, we can create based upon the client requirement. Based upon the client requirement, we can also create a new payment terms. Got my point? Okay, based upon the client requirement, so we can also create our own payment terms, customized payment terms. Okay, so now we will create one payment term, main payment term. We will create first, then we will create the installment payment terms. Okay. So you just go to OB08. Sorry, OB. What is the T code? OB
08, sir.
OBB8, I guess.
The main payment term. What is the T code?
OBB8.
OBB8. This is correct. This is wrong. OBB. Okay. OBB8. OBB8. So this is payment term configuration place. These are the standard payment terms. Look at this. So some of the standard payment terms are already given by SAP. You want to create a new payment term, we can create it. Okay. For example, here CAD discount payment term. This is CAD discount payment term. How this CAD discount payment term has been created? Okay. So if you pay the invoice within 10 days, you will get the CAD discount 3%. So if you pay the invoice 20 days, you will get the CAD discount 2%. Within 30 days, no CAD discount. Okay, so here 10 days 5%, 20 days 30%, 30 days nil. Okay, this is the payment term. This is start from the document date only. Okay, if client told you, so it will start from posting date. You need to select posting date. Okay. And so these payment terms are applicable for customers and suppliers. Okay, so customers and suppliers. For example, if I put 1 and here 10, that means so next month, okay, 10th day, so invoice should be due. Okay, next month 10th day invoice should be due. Okay, baseline date calculation means so next month. Okay, additional month next month. You want to become if you want to become invoice should be due in the next month 10th date. Okay, so you can take additional month 1 and fix the date 10. That means every next month, okay, 10th day invoice should be due automatically. Okay, so now you go to new entries. We are creating new payment terms right now. Okay, first we will create the main payment term. Tell me what is our main payment term? Tell me what is our main payment term?
BIZ1.
No. VIZP. So VIZP. VIZP. Okay, this is our main payment term. So this payment term for 3 installments. 3 installments. 3 installments. So tell me what are that installments? VI Z1, VI Z2, and VI Z3. Okay. So our calculation from document date. Document date. This is applicable to this payment term is also applicable to vendors and customers. Okay. So this is installment payments. If it is CAD discount, we need to specify CAD discount. It's not CAD discount. It's installment payment terms. Okay. So now you just save it. Just save it. CAD discount configuration. This is payment term configuration. Okay. So now just go back. So this is your main payment term. And what are the installment payment terms? So what are the installment payment terms? VIZ1,
VIZ2 and VIZ4.
Okay. So this installment payment term should be created like this. You just go to OBB8, okay, and go to new entries. So first installment payment term VIZ1. VIZ1. Okay, it is applicable to vendors and customer. This is your first installment. Okay, so VIZ1 is your first installment. It should be paid in, invoice should be paid in 15 days. Okay, so until 15 days, invoice should not be due. So here you just take 15 days. So here you just specify 15 days, no CAD discount. So if any CAD discount is there, then we need to specify there is no CAD discount. Then give 15 days. Okay, so it will start from the document date only. It will start from the document date only, and you just save it. Okay, so this payment term is already existed in our system. Who created this? This payment term is already exist. Who created? Okay, I already created. Okay, this one is already created. Okay, VIZ1. So installation from 15 days. Just save it. Okay, and create second one. Oh, someone is already created. With the VIZ1, someone is already created. Okay, VIZ1 first installment within 15 days. So just to specify 15 days. Okay, and second installment should be paid within 30 days. Second installment should be paid in 30 days. Okay, so I give 30 days. So it is 30 days. So this calculation start from the document date only. And the third installment will start from 45 days. Okay, it will start from 45 days. Okay, you can also create new payment terms. Okay, so it's already there in our system. So the main payment term, what is our main payment term? So our main payment term is VIZP. These are the installment payment terms. Okay, so for this installment payment terms, we created the main payment term. Okay, so now what is the next step? Okay, so where we need to assign the percentages. So percentages are there, right? Okay, go to
OBB9 skill, sir.
okay, this is the percentage. This is the percentage. You just go to OBB9. OBB9. So OBB9, go to new entries. So our main payment term is VI. What is our main payment term? VIZP.
VIZP.
VIZP. VIZP. So this is your first installment. First installment. This is your second installment. This is your third installment. What is the percentages? 30, 30, 40. 30%. Second installment 30%. Then he will pay. Company will pay 40%. So 30%, 30%, and 40%. So what are the payment terms? VIZ1 first payment term. So VIZ2 second payment term, and VIZ3 third payment term. Now you save it. That's it. So payment terms, installments, percentages have been allocated. Just look at this screen. What we have done. So first we create the main payment term. First we created the main payment term. Then what we have done next? What we have done next? We have created the installment payment terms. Installment payment terms we created in OBBH. After that, the percentages allocated in the OBB9. That's it. So configuration part is completed. Now you do the unit testing. Unit testing, how this invoice should be split. Just look at this. Just go to OBBH, sorry, OB57 and go to S4 user 87 and give your company code and post FB60 transactions. And you can also post the customer invoice also. Okay. So this payment term is applicable to customer invoice also. Okay. So how this 1 lakh should be split? So vendor payment split on installment basis. Okay, so here GL account, trade purchase. So take 1 lakh and test, enter, and go to payments. Okay, here this 001 picking from the vendor master. Okay, so here you give the payment term. What is the payment term? Main payment term? VIZP. Enter. So if you are changing the payment term, earlier payment 1001, this is update in vendor master. Okay, we can also change payment term anytime in the invoice level. Okay, system will give warning message. Why you are changing? Okay, it's fine. Okay, system will take. Okay, even you update this payment term in vendor master. Okay, we can also change anytime this payment term. Okay, so now you simulate this. So just look at this invoice. Just look at this invoice. So here you just give net due date. Net due date. And give you just to select this and copy. Okay, so when your invoice should be due. So this invoice will be due this date. So this invoice will be due this date. This invoice will be due this date. Okay, that means we will pay first 30,000. So total amount need to pay to vendor is 1 lakh. Okay, Okay, but so this this is first installment will be paid on this date. Second installment should be paid on this date. Third installment should be paid on this date. Okay, save this and you check in FBL1. So in FBL1, just to go. So here the due dates also there. Invoice not due. Invoice not due until the 45 days. Okay, from the document date. So here the document number is same. Okay, here the document number is same, but we have three amounts, three line items. Okay, so we need to pay to this vendor first 30,000 within this amount. So within this date, and the second this is date, and third this date. Got my point? So this is called as a installment payment terms. Okay, so for example, you want to clear this 30,000 right now. Okay, so I just go to what is the T code for vendor payment? F-53. I want to clear the first payment term. Then give this reference number is your invoice date. Invoice reference. Okay. Clearing. Partial clearing. So take the accounts. SBI account. SBI bank. And how much? 30,000 I'm going to pay. Process open item. Partial payment. So we are not paying this amount. We are paying only this invoice. Okay, that's the reason I given 30,000. Simulate. Post. Okay, and check over here. Here what happened? So 30,000 have been cleared. That's it. This is the way we can clear installment payments. Okay, got my point. So installment payment should be cleared like this. What is the amount split? What is the amount split? So let's say what is the amount split means. So here in OBYC, just go to OBYC, or else we will clear this entire amount. Okay, 70,000 will clear in the next payment. I don't want to clear based upon the due date. I have money. I will clear all the amount right now. This is reference number and vendor clearing. So what is the total amount? 70,000. Okay, and take this vendor. Okay, so full clearing standard. Save. So we cleared all without having due date. So we cleared all. You check in the clearing items. Okay. Now what is amount split? There is no open items right now. What is split? What is amount split? Okay, so for example, okay, just go to FB60. Here I want to activate amount split field. Amount split field. Amount split field. Where we need to activate? You just go to OBY6. Okay, go to OBY6 and go to position. What is your company code? VIZ6 and double click on this. So VIZ6 and here we have one field enable amount split. This is this field will be activated in the company code level. So once you activate, what happen? So once you activate, what happen? Okay, just go and check over here. Amount split for B60. Okay, and post. See here, new tab will be appeared. This amount split. What is the benefit of this amount split? So take vendor invoice and GL account. Purchase. So take this 1 lakh rupee and go to payment and give the reference number. Payment. So here you take VIZ6. Okay, enter. OIZP. Enter. Enter. Simulate. Okay, so same way amount should be splitted. But what is the benefit of this amount split option? So just to click on this. So in this amount split, see as per the payment term, as per this VIZP payment term, so we can clear. Okay, so invoice within 15 days 30%, within 30 days 30%, and within 40 days 40%. Okay, and this is the system will calculate the percentage automatically. Okay, for this invoice, system is calculating automatically. Okay, but I don't want to calculate according to the system wise. Okay, system says 30,000. You need to you need to pay, but so by using this amount split option, we can manually change this amount. Okay, that means okay by using this amount split option, so I want to clear 20,000. So by using this first installment, actually we need to pay 30,000. Okay, so and so second installment I will pay 60,000. Okay, and in the third installment, so I will pay rest of the amount. We can change this amounts also by using the split option. Okay, so now you simulate. Okay, system is not calculating according to this percentage. According to this payment term says, if you pay the invoice 15 days, 30% system will calculate the 30%. Okay, system will calculate 30% on the invoice. But here we can give our own amounts. Okay, so we can give our own amount. I will pay in the first installment 20,000, second installment 60,000, third installment 20,000. So by using this amount split field, we can also modify anytime. So this amounts also. Okay, that is the purpose of amount split option. Okay. So this is the amount split option. So payment is same. So first installment I will pay 20,000, second installment I will pay 30,000, and third installment I will pay 20,000. This is the purpose of amount split option in SAP ECC and S4HANA. So now you people understand the payment terms concept. Okay, this is one important scenario we discussed regarding the payment term. Amount split option. Okay, right? So we have successfully completed payment terms configurations, and also we have tested out this payment terms. And last time we discussed about the CAD discounts. This is also applicable customer case also. Say right now we have done vendor point of view. This we can do in customer case also. Like for example, okay, you can try out. Okay, this is for homework. So just go to customer and go to the invoice date, give this amount, reference number, and give the 1 lakh rupee, and this is customer invoice. Okay, and take the sales GL. So and give plus star and give the test and change the payment terms manually. Okay, what is your payment term? VIZP. Okay, and simulate. System will split the customer invoice like vendor invoice. How we split it, like that system also will split. but so you want to post it, you can post it by using this amount split option. Okay, so we can modify this. In first installment, I will pay 30,000. Okay, but in the second installment, I will pay 60,000, and in the third installment, we will pay 1,000. So this manual way means we can give our own amounts. Okay, so just to simulate. Okay, so this is the way you can split any time. Okay, so here we select your net due date. Some of the fields you want to check. Okay, so you can copy this and see the due dates. So when it becomes due, the dates also given over here. Okay, so this dates calculation from the document date, from the document date. Okay, from the document date. Your payment on PIZ1, so this is 15 days, and the second payment of VIZ2, it is 30 days. Okay, this is 45 days. So this is all about payment terms concept. Okay, this is vendor and customer uh, payment terms. So if you create one payment term, it is applicable to vendors and customers. You want to restrict only for vendors, we can also restrict. Okay, so you want to create separate payment terms for customers, also possible in SAP. Don't select the customer option. Okay, so this is the payment terms. So we have successfully implemented payment terms configurations in SAP, and also CAD discounts configurations we have successfully done, and we have successfully tested out the CAD discounts concept also. And we have one more concept, down payments. Okay, vendor down payments and customer down payments. This is our next class. Okay, so after completion of this, then I will move to automatic payment program. Okay, so upcoming sessions are, so right now, so we have done manual clearing. So manual clearing. So manual clearing vendor and customer case. We successfully tested out. Okay. So implementation we are doing right now. Okay. And so we completed this tester case successfully. And next case, down payments. Vendor and customer down payments. Okay, down payments. What is down payments? We will discuss in the upcoming classes. Then once we finish vendor customer down payment concept, then I will go to automatic payment program. Okay, so there are two types of clearings. One is manual clearing, second one is automatic payment. So this is very important session, automatic payment program. So after that, okay, once we finish up this automatic payment program, then next concept is dunning. Okay, this is for vendors and customer we will clear, both vendor and customer. Okay, automatic payment program. Same way we'll some scenarios we'll discuss. So many scenarios are there. We'll discuss some scenarios. After that, dunning. After that, GST. Okay. So after that, FI to MM integration. And FI to SD integration. Then P2P process. Then OTC process. Okay, this is MM flow. So MM flow. So right now you are doing FI flow only. So all FI invoice you are posting, vendor and customer. But so we have MM flow also. Okay, so this is SD flow. Okay, so we will discuss in the upcoming classes vendors, customers. Okay, so vendor customers, like MM vendor we will create, SD vendor we will create. Right now we create only FI vendors. Okay, next classes, upcoming classes, we will create SD vendor. We'll create vendor. Got my point? Vendor, SD vendor we will create. And we will create purchase orders, goods receipt, invoices. And then we will create the payments. Okay, after that, sales order. What is the case? Sales order, outbound delivery, picking, packing, loading, post goods issue. Okay, so billing document, payment. This is SD flow. Okay, so we have invoices and SD invoice also there. Okay, like we cleared FI invoice only. Okay, but how we can clear invoice and SD invoice? So that things will cover in the P2P process and OTC process. This is lengthy. Okay, so so today is 13, right? So automatic payment program. So automatic payment program, this down payment start from Monday. So Monday, so this will take 2 days. Okay, this will continue up to last class. This will not be ended up. Okay, automatic payment program. We will discuss so many scenarios. So many scenarios. But done in 1 day. So GST 2 days. So FI to MM integration 1 week. FI to SD integration 1 week. So what is the process? 1 day. And SD process 2 days. Sorry, 1 day. So this will discuss 5 days at 4 to 5 days at the initial class, but it will not be ended up in the last class. 2 plus 5, 7, 8, 10, 16, 22, 23, 24. That means within 25 to 30 days, okay, we will finish up complete accounts payable and the receivables. Within 1 week we will finish up, because how many configurations are there here? Configurations. In real time we don't do configuration, but I will teach configurations also. Here SD configurations also I will teach. That's the reason it will take only 15 days. This is the big concept. Okay, so that means accounts payables, receivables, GL module will be completed in the next 25 to 30 classes. Okay, then I will start new asset accounting. Got my point? This is our plan. This is our plan. Okay, no confusion, right? This is our plan. So after new asset accounting, so what are the concepts we have? That time I will tell you. So right now, so upcoming classes are, these are the upcoming classes. Okay, so GST, dunning, FI to MM, FI to SD integration, P2P process, OTC process. We have 30 days, 25 to 30 days are left to finish up complete accounts payables and receivables. Then you can go for P2P and OTC end user jobs also. Okay. So after new asset accounting, so I will discuss some important topics: DME, RICIF, iDocs. Okay, EBS, foreign currency, revaluation, withholding tax. Okay, then we'll discuss some more important topics. These are the main topics in SAP S4HANA. Okay, right. So you guys need to complete this and send the screenshots. Any errors? This is basic error. Why you send this kind of issues? Go to OB57 and give your user ID.
Sir, I checked that, but the issue not resolved.
Will be resolved now.
No, sir.
What is your user ID? So this which T code you are, what T code you are posting?
Waymo, sir.
Huh?
Waymo.
No. What is the T code you are posting?
OB57, sir.
Vendor invoice?
Yes, sir. Customer configuration, sir.
Customer invoice. Okay, then assign this. Okay, no amount authorization means assign this tolerance group. Now go to BP and assign the tolerance group. Have you created vendor and customer?
Yes,
Tolerance
sir. Okay.
Okay, what is your tolerance group?
Waymo, sir.
Waymo.
Company code.
So you haven't created tolerance group now? Then create the tolerance group now. Okay, what is your supplier or customer?
Customer, sir.
So tell me the customer number.
Customer number. Second, sir.
What is your customer number? Okay, this is your customer number.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So now you need to assign this. So just go to this and edit. Take the FI customer, and go to company code and assign the tolerance group. Now you should use this one.
Yes. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
check and check.
Okay. Sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, and any error? Vema. Who is Vema? This issue solved, Vema ready? So this issue solved. Go to OBC4 and give a field status. Profit center optional. This issue will be resolved. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Good night.